Students, in this class we will learn how to generate random numbers. Now, generating random numbers is a very important part of programming. In fact, for any languages for that matter, we need to know how to generate random numbers. Specifically, it comes in handy in many applications. So, without further ado, let me just start off to teach you how exactly we could achieve that. So, foremost, let us include the IO stream, and then using namespace std, and then the parent function int main, and if you want you can declare the variable for running the loop. But what I would do is I would declare this variable inside the for loop. So in that way you will also know another alternative way to declare the variable for loops. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'll start off by giving a cout, and I'll say this is a program to generate random numbers. So I am going to have the for loop, means the variable I is declared to be an integer, and I want it to run from 1 to all the way to 10, less than equal to 10. So it's up to you to either place less than sign or less than equal to sign. So it is your discretion. So for this case, let me just use less than equal to sign. And I will have to increment the loop. So it's going to be I++, you close the parenthesis, and you open a curly parenthesis. So this is going to be the cout. I'm directly giving the print statement here. So the method is rand for random numbers. You open and close the parenthesis, give a percentage sign. Now depending on the number of digits that you want, so if in case I want a 2-digit random number, I would give the value there as 100. And if you want 3 digits, you have to give 1000. So depending on the digits that you want, and 4 digits subsequently. I'm just going to show you the different illustration and different possibilities. So I close the loop here, and then I gave a return there, and then I will close the main function. So this is a simple program. Let me save it and show you the output. So I'm building it and running it. So you can clearly see that all the numbers are displayed like this. So we don't want it to like that, in that fashion. So I would want to give here a cout, a line break. So it's going to be, this would achieve what we wanted. So now the output is going to be totally different. So you see that 2-digit number. As I mentioned to you, if you want 2-digit random numbers, you place the 100. Subsequently, I'm going to show you other possibilities that we can have. So 41, 64, and so on it goes. Now I can change this. So let me just change it. Instead of saying 100, I change it to 1000. I save it and then I run it. So clearly you will see the random numbers are totally different in this case. So let me run it one more time and check this out. So the last one is 4064962. So I'm running it. So the numbers don't seem to be changing, but still they are a random number. Now let me just take the loop to 20 and save it and show you the output. Let's check it out. So 41 is the first number. Of course, we are getting the same set, but the numbers further down are different, right? We don't have any repetition. So one good thing here is every time we run it, we are getting the same set, right? So that would be used in a greater level, depending on the applications that we would like to design. Now let me just increase the zeros by 2 more. So you can see there I've given three zeros here, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-digit number, but the random numbers would be 5 digits. So I save it and I run it. So clearly you can see the random numbers are 5 digits. Of course, this is also coming in. So we are giving room to these numbers also. Plus the maximum displayed number would be a 5-digit number. So that is all about displaying random numbers. And based on your requirement, you can suitably increase the loop structure over here. So having done that and mentioned you all the important ingredients, I think this is the right place for us to stop this.